Can we create Telegram account with email? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see if we can create Telegram account with email account or not. So to find out that, let's get started. First of all, launch your Telegram application in your mobile device. Tap on Start Messaging. As you can see, Telegram requires your phone number in order to create an account. So, Telegram does not currently allow you to create an account using a Gmail account or your email address alone. However, you can link your Gmail account or your email to your Telegram account for the added security through two-step verification. So in this case, you will have to enter your phone number, but you won't be able to use your email to create an account. So for that, first of all, you have to select your country. After that, you have to provide your mobile number. Then tap on Next. After that, you will receive a verification code in your mobile number. All you have to do is provide the correct verification code. Once the verification is complete, you will be directly logged into your account. And that's how you can create your Telegram account with your phone number but not with your Gmail account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.